Hello everybody, I am Deidre Gordon. Welcome to E Prime. Veteran DJ Mad Cobra on cocaine and gun charges in the U.S. According to media reports, the 55-year-old was on Tuesday arrested in Florence County, South Carolina, in the United States on gun and cocaine charges. The Florence County Sheriff's Office says Mad Cobra, whose given name is Hewitt Everton Brown, was stopped for speeding. Now, suspicious behavior from Cobra led to a search of his black BMW SUV, where 2 kilograms of cocaine were located along with a Beretta 9mm pistol. Cobra is being held at Florence County Detention Center for Drug Trafficking and Weapon Possession. And summer moviegoers are loving Oppenheimer. The Christopher Nolan's R-rated historical drama Oppenheimer made a remarkable $80.5 million in the opening weekend. What is of interest, though, is the phenomenon Barbenheimer, which sees movie lovers electing to watch both movies instead of choosing. Tomorrow, EPRIME will have highlights from Jamaica's Barbie movie premiere event as the box office record breaker Barbie opens today across the island. That's it for EPRIME this evening. I am Deidre. Thank you for watching.